All right, so this is the same thing you've done many times before. What you want to do is just, if you're happy and you know it, just make sure everything's saved, okay? So I saved both of these files, both the style and the other one. And then, make sure this all looks good, like you're happy with the way it looks and looks like it should. Then you, again, just save it. And then what you want to remember is that this folder, right, this side of this folder, I have my index and I have the images and also I have the CSS in here. So basically this folder is containing all of the elements of my website, right? So it's not, come on, it's not just this index. If you give me just this index, I'm not going to be able to see anything. It's going to look, it's just, all I'm going to see is just bad black and white text. It's just not going to look good. So you have to have the entirety of this. So when you're done with that, you're just going to take this, take this thing. Okay, there you go. Right click, send to, compress zip folder. If you're on a Mac, it's just right click, compress. It's going to give you a zip folder, right? You're going to take that. You just log on to cecil.blackboard.com, and you're just going to submit that into this assignment. So this is obviously week 2, single page, site, responsive, lab. And you're just going to drop it in there, and then that's basically it. Just, if you do see any issues, just as a reminder, it should look something like this one here. So if you click the corner, you can see it doesn't do the flipping thing. The other parts do work, but that one part does not, and that's because you can't do in. Whenever I make this stuff, I have to make it inline in order for it to fit my stuff, and I can't inline app media queries. They have to be like in the head, and it's not possible using what I'm doing using WordPress. At least not. I mean, I could probably make it work, but it'd be like a crap ton of work, and I'm just not doing it. So anyway, it should look something like this. If it doesn't look like this, just remember, go back to the previous page, look down here in the code, you know what I mean? And then you could just scroll through the code, and hopefully, you'll find whatever error it is that you have, all right? But it should look something like that. And once like I said, once it's good, you're just going to take that thing, put it into Blackboard, submit, and you are good. If you run into issues, just let me know.